Hi everyone, this is Peter from Peter Tech. Today I would like to share with you why you should add another hard drive to your DVR or the surveillance system. Okay, first of all, most systems should be able to support at least 2 hard drives, and make sure you check your specification about the hard drive size that it support. I think it should be either 4 terabyte or 6 terabyte or more. It should be able to support those. And for the hard drive for the surveillance system, in general there are 2 brands or 2 popular ones. The first one is Western Digital Blue, which is the Serial ATA 3.5 inches, and the second one is Seagate Skyhawk. It's also Serial ATA and 3.5 inches as well. Okay, so while replacing a hard drive, of course you may replace a hard drive when it already went bad or gone bad. Hopefully this is not your case, because you don't want it to happen, especially if you have something important or critical data on your hard drive. Okay, or maybe you start seeing that the hard drive having an issue, or start having issue like maybe the parity error, write error, or the read error. Normally if you set up to have the log recording, you should be able to see this from the log or from your system log, and make sure that you set the alarm so that if there's something not good start happening, then it can alarm you or it can send you email. Then you can take some corrective action before the bad thing happen. Or maybe the third one, the hard drive is old. You know for the fact that it's already old, and of course every hard drive have the mean time before failure. That means, you know, it may be a million hours or so, I'm not sure, okay, depend on the hard drive and the model. And of course you don't want it to go bad, so you know that it's old, and you may thinking, oh, maybe it's time to, you know, to change my hard drive. Okay, that's a good thing too. Maybe some other reasons, like you need a bigger hard drive, or maybe you, for example, you want one single one but upgraded from the 4 terabyte to the 6 terabyte, or you want to have a larger total storage, which means you may want to add another hard drive on top of it. Okay, why adding a hard drive? Okay, maybe because you need redundancy. You know, the system should be able to support RAID 1 or mirroring. That means, you know, you get the data duplicate across 2 hard drives. Then you won't lose any data if a hard drive goes bad. Or second, you may want more space or larger total storage. For example, if you have, let's say, 4 terabyte or 6 terabyte, or doesn't matter how many or how large you have right now, right? But and then you can see that, oh, you can record only 2 weeks of the videos or 3 weeks of the video, and then that doesn't meet your requirement. For example, you may have a requirement or you want to record at least a full month, then maybe it's time for you to think to add another one so that it can hold more data for more days. Okay, so my recommendation is, if you don't use redundancy or RAID 1 that I mentioned, and you want to somehow get some kind of redundancy, but it's not the true redundancy, right? You may want to distribute data among the hard drives strategically. For example, if you have 2 or more cameras pointing to a same area, then you might want to configure so that one camera in that area record on to the first hard drive, and the second camera in the same area may record to second hard drive, thing like that. Okay, and of course for your system, you don't want to use default password, right? Or if it doesn't come with a password, make sure you set a strong password, at least 16 characters. I would suggest at least 16 characters long, with all the combination of, you know, lower uppercase, number, and special characters. And you may want to change your default account. Instead of admin or the user, you might want to change to something else, like it may be something you come up like your dog name or whatsoever, but instead of using admin, because everyone gonna, if a hacker, they're gonna try to use your username admin first before anything else. Okay. Okay, so the steps, of course, the first is the physical, that means adding or replacing a hard drive, which I'm gonna cover in another video. I don't want to make this video too long, or I'm not sure, if some people may not want to listen this video, but they just want to go ahead and go to see how we add another hard drive. And then about the configuration, which is also gonna be in another video. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and please like or subscribe, and please share if you think it's beneficial for some other people. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.